What else?
Bail.
Bail.
In this case, you will also directed list the matter on 16th week commencing 16 January.
What is the matter?
Bail matter or tied up?
Give it.
We have to pardon, Lordship. The petitioner prays for the interim bail on the ground of his illness of wife. Doctor suggests to surgery is necessary very urgent.
Give it.
Bail matter, my lord, tied up matter.
Yeah.
From 47, I have already filed a memo for Ulder.
Memo has been filed for withdrawal. Disposed of for 3 years.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Lord, I am appearing for the informant, my lord.
Item 2,
May I,
Sir,
Lordship?
let's proceed.
My Lord,
Put up this matter tomorrow along with the affidavits, if any, filed by the learned counsel for the informant. Okay.
may I, Lordship, please? This is the second journey, my Lord. My Lord, petitioner, informant, Narmada Digal,
376-3.
376 2 N 3 313 323
No,
506
your
34 and 60
earlier
postmark.
bail application was rejected.
No, my Lord.
Allowed.
No, earlier bail application, my anticipatory bail is rejected, my Lord.
Huh?
Rejected, my Lord.
Why should you said no?
Sorry. Second journey first of all.
ଯେତେବେଳେ କେସ୍ ଟାକୁ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଧୀର ସ୍ଥିର ହେଇକିନି ବୁଝିକିନି ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଧରିକିନି କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
My Lord.
So which is that order in which the bail was rejected? Which is your earlier bail application,
Bail
anticipatory bail application?
Rejected 5522.
No, what is the ABLAPL number? Are you not
ABLPL
following what
number
I'm telling you? What is the ABLAPL number?
3189/22.
Okay. In that anticipatory bail application, there are two petitioners.
Yes, my Lord.
One is Gitanjali Digal, the other is Sushant Digal.
My Lord.
So now this anticipatory bail application has been filed by only
Gitanjali Digal.
Gitanjali Digal.
Yes.
So Sushant Digal was granted anticipatory bail.
Yes, my Lord. Anticipatory.
Just a minute. So I have gone through the 164 CRPC statement of the victim, and I've given my finding that specific overt act has been attributed against Gitanjali Digal. That is how it was rejected, and direction was given that in the event you surrender before the court below move for bail, same shall be disposed of in accordance with law expeditiously. So, and case records shall be made available. And Sushant Digal was granted anticipatory bail. So that order was passed on 5/5/2022.
My Lord.
So admittedly, you have not complied with that order. You have not surrendered. So why have you again come?
My Lord, again come because as for Annexure 2,
Hmm.
as for Annexure 2, informant daughter, victim lady, he married petitioner wife, my Lord. Sorry, petitioner son.
Apart from that, this
Sushant
case is not
Digal.
maintainable. 376-3 ABLPL not maintainable. 438 million. Subsection 4.
No. Who has married whom?
My Lord, informant daughter, victim lady.
Yes.
The petitioner son, my Lord. आज 5/7/2022
This marriage certificate indicate that what is the name of that boy? Shashwat Digal.
Shashwat Digal, Samuel Digal. Shashwat Digal.
Hmm.
Shashwat Digal,
Hmm.
alias Samuel Digal.
He has another name, so that
Yes,
is
my lord.
Samuel Digal. So both of them are now married.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, which provision you want?
438 subsection 4.
Yes, how do you overcome this one? This
My lord.
anticipatory bail application is not maintainable in an offense under section 376(3) of the Indian Penal Code.
My lord, 313 is applicable only.
Hmm.
313
Once the offense is registered under section 376(3), and if the ingredients are made out, then the anticipatory bail application itself is not maintainable. That is what he has pointed out.
My lord,
Here is a
376.
case where charge sheet has been submitted under
No, we have not.
376(3).
The first time it has come.
So what is your instruction?
My charge sheet already submitted.
Under which offense?
376 to all of our offense, man.
376. Huh?
376 3 ରେ charge sheet file ହେଇଛି କହୁଛନ୍ତି.
Acha. So
My-
are you aware about this provision that
yes, my lord, 376 are not applicable, my lord.
applicable or
this
not?
person.
It's not a case which involves an offense under section 376(3). In that case, anticipatory bail would not be maintainable. That is,
My lord,
nothing in this section shall apply to any case involving the arrest of any person on the accusation of a so and so. So you are right now telling that the offense under section 376(3) is also one of the offense in the charge sheet.
yes, my
So, are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Earlier, the petitioner, along with one co-accused Sushant Tigal, approached this court for anticipatory bail in ABLAPL number 3189 of 2022. While granting anticipatory bail to the co-accused Sushant Tigal by the order dated 5/5/2022, the bail application of the petitioner was rejected, taking into account the nature and gravity of the accusation against her, and it was observed that in the event the petitioner surrenders in the court below and moves for bail, the same shall be disposed of in accordance with law expeditiously, and the case record shall be made available to the court for disposal of the bail application. Admittedly, the petitioner has not complied with the said order and approached this court for the second time. The sole contention that has been raised by the learned counsel for the petitioner for approaching this court is that the son of the petitioner, namely Shashwat Kumar Digal, alias Samuel Digal, has already married the victim, and in that connection, he has annexed the document, marriage certificate by annexure 2. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in view of the change in the circumstances, the bail application may be favorably considered. The learned counsel for the state, on the other hand, pointed out from the provision under subsection 4 of section 438 of the CRPC, which indicates that so far as this section is concerned, it shall not apply to a case which inter alia involves the arrest of any person on the accusation of having committed an offense under subsection 3 of section 376 of the Indian Penal Code. And counsel for the petitioner has not disputed that charge sheet has been submitted against the petitioner and others inter alia for commission of offense under section 376 (3) of the Indian Penal Code. After hearing the learned counsel for the respective parties in view of the bar under section 438(4) of the CRPC, and the fact that the earlier anticipatory bail application has been rejected, while not inclining to release the petitioner on anticipatory bail, it is observed that in the event the petitioner surrenders before the learned additional session judge (POCSO judge) POCSO Kulbani Kandhamar in connection with city case number 57 of 2021, which arises out of Firingia PS case number 106 of 2021, within a period of 4 weeks from today, same shall be disposed of, preferably within same day. And the relevancy of the marriage certificate under Annexure 2. So also the fact that the petitioner is a lady can be taken into account by the learned court while adjudicating the bail application. Disposed of. Yes.
Item 3.
May proceed. Earlier, the petitioners had approached before this honorable court in ABL appeal number 13238 of 2021, and this honorable directed to surrender before the learned court below. Now, in the meantime, my lord, the charge sheet has been submitted. Here, the petitioners are not the principal accused. Out of 4 petitioners, 2 are the ladies.
There are 4 petitioners in this anticipatory bail application.
Yes, ma'am.
And the ABL appeal number 13238 of 2021 indicates that all these 4 approach this court.
Yes, ma'am.
And at that point of time, the offenses were also under section 376 and other offenses. And taking into account the nature and gravity of the all these things have been mentioned. Bail application was rejected.
Case date was not called for on the basis of the FIR.
Now what is there?
What happened? I got instruction that the principal accused is one, my lord. It's arising out of complaint case. The principal accused is accused number 1 in the complaint petition, that Molay Ranjan Marik. He has been arrested and subsequently released on bail as per my instruction. Against the petitioners, who are the petitioner 2 and 4 are the ladies. Against those petitioners, she has, my lord, in 164 statement, as I got instruction that is not available with me.
Surrender and move for bail. Part the learning counsel for the petitioners, learning counsel for the state. The learning counsel for the petitioner submits that earlier the petitioners approached this court for anticipatory bail in ABL appeal number 13238 of 2021 as per order dated 8/4/2022. While rejecting the application for bail, the petitioners were given liberty to surrender in the court below and to move for bail, which is to be disposed of expeditiously in accordance with law. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the case arises out of a complaint petition, and the main allegation is against co-accused Molay Ranjan Barik, who has already been released on bail. And the petitioners are now ready and willing to surrender in the court below. And while adjudicating the bail application, the claim of parity be taken into account.
Other co-accused persons also granted anticipatory bail in another bail.
He further submit that some of the accused persons have been granted anticipatory bail. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, while not inclining to release the petitioners on anticipatory bail, it is observed that in 4 weeks, if the petitioners surrender and move for bail in the court below, same shall be disposed of expeditiously
Same day.
by the learned trial court, preferably on the same day, and claim of parity with the co-accused person shall be taken into account. Yes, next.
Item 4.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, this
302 CD required, my lord.
Is it a press matter?
Press matter.
Right, CD and criminal antecedent. Okay, next.
obliged.
Item 5.
Item to same CD required.
Let's,
Press matter.
Press.
Your lordship has already granted bail to the co-accused persons.
Let the case diary come.
My lord.
Yes, next.
Item 6.
6 also same. Press matter.
Press matter. What is the offense here?
302.
And somebody is appearing for the.
Yes,
you are
madam.
appearing for the. Right, case diary and criminal antecedent. Yes.
Item 7.
Mr. Divya Prakash Mishra.
Same, my lord.
Press matter.
Press matter.
All right, CD and CA.
Item 8.
8 also same.
All right, case diary and criminal antecedent.
Item 9.
May I plead the lordship, my lord? Here, my lord, the basis of the
Is it
implication.
a fresh matter?
Yes, my lord. Press matter.
You have got the case diary?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Earlier rejected.
No, my lord. In view of the Pradhanijani,
Then what is this BLAPL number 4358 of 20?
in respect of other accused persons, my lord,
Okay.
from whom contraband has been recovered, my lord. Here, my lord, basis of the implication, confessional statement of the co-accused.
Just a minute. So what is the date of custody?
13/1/2024, and as per the prosecution case, my lord,
Charge sheet submitted.
charge sheet submitted.
Under what offenses?
20B2C and 29 of the NDPS.
20B2C
Yes, my lord.
and 29.
29, yes. Here, my lord, as per look into the FIR, running page, my lord, 8, my lord, 9, running page 10.
You have not been named in the FIR as an accused.
No, FIR named it.
So
2 persons were apprehended at the spot. One Santosh Bhagarti and Prafulla Bhagarti. And they confessed that the petitioner along with 7 others were fled away from the
just a
spot.
minute. Apprehended accused kiye koile?
Santosh Kumar Prafulla Bhagarti and Santosh Bhagarti.
Prafulla Bhagarti Santosh.
And they were confessed that, my lord, the petitioner along with 7 others were fled away from the spot, and in the meantime,
They were transporting ganja in a vehicle.
no, my lord. The ganja was kept in house of one, my lord, as per the Rajesh alias Bayamana Bhagarti. In the house premises of, my lord, as per the information, one Rajesh alias Bayamana Bhagarti. And in the meantime, 2 accused persons were released on bail. That is, my lord, annexure 4, running page 28 onwards, my lord, and the petitioners were, my lord, standing with similar.
Wait. Whose house the ganja was there?
Boyaman Bhagarti.
Huh?
Boyaman Bhagarti. In the house of Rajesh alias Boyaman Bhagarti. এটা এফআইআর মিলর 10 লাইন 10 পেজের আছে।
12 person are sitting in the
1,
premises
2,
of that
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th line. Rajesh alias Bayamono Bogorti. Okay. So the accused persons were present there.
present there.
Okay.
Seeing the police person, they fled away.
Okay. Then 2 persons were caught hold.
Caught hold.
They are this Prafullo and Santosh.
Santosh
They
Bogorti.
disclose the name of
this
the
person.
petitioner.
Yes. That has to 501 kg of ganja.
Petitioners along with
Not a
7
small
others মিলর।
Who has been released on bail?
One মিলর বিবস্ত বগর্তি, that is মিলর running page 29. One মিলর জনক সাহু running page 33. And they also মিলর the confessional statement of the co-accused. That is মিলর last portion. On being asked to them about the other persons fled away from the spot, they disclose the name of other person present at this as Bayamana Bogorti, Milord Krishna Chandra Bogorti, Milord present petitioner.
What about the criminal antecedent?
I have no criminal antecedent.
Yes, Mr.
That has not.
Get the instruction on that. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is similarly situated to the accused Bibasto Bagarti and Janako Sahu, who have been implicated in the case on the basis of confessional statement of co-accused persons Prafulla Bagarti and Santosh Bagarti were apprehended at the spot. Bibasto. Annexure 4 series dekhi do. And have been released on bail. Learned counsel for the state has produced the case diary. Our seek some time to obtain instruction about the criminal antecedents, if any, against the petitioner, as prayed for put of this matter in the week commencing from 27th March 2024.
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, in item, may I please, Lordship? Sorry, I beg apology, my lord. In item 7 and 8, sir, tamu miss kori sir.
No, Mr. Counsel, it is already Mr. Dibya Prakash Misra, Learned Counsel, appearing through virtual High Court, Sambalpur. Though the case, it is coming for the first time, the case diary and the instruction about the criminal antecedents that is awaited. That's why the Learned State Council took time. And now the case come in the week commencing from 27th March.
My lord, may I permit for a second?
Yes.
My lord, item number 7 is a bail jump case.
Okay.
And it was the petitioner is already enlarged on bail by the order of this court, my lord. And subsequently, the NBW was issued.
Let us see that. Which is the rejection order?
Annexer.
Yes, you are
annexer.
Right. Yes, Mr. Tripathi.
Yes.
All right. Item number 7, change the order and mention that had Mr. Dibya Prakash Misra and Counsel, Virtual High Court, Sambalpur. He submits that the petitioner was on bail during and due to non-taking of steps on the date fixed, non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued against him on 25/4/2023, and he was apprehended by police and produced before the court on 17/11/2023, and since then the petitioner is in judicial custody. Baki bail jump pro usual format re karikini allow kar debe. So this item number 7 is allowed.
Yes, ma'am.
And item number 8 is a Belgium matter or other matter?
No, my lord, item number 8 is not a Belgium matter, but in this case, what happened, my lord, Honorable Court already given four time instruction to framing a charge, and Honorable Court from the date of 2017 to till 2023, Honorable Court clearly direct to frame the charge and examine the witness. But till now, the accused remain in custody for a period of 8 years.
Which is the order passed and in which bail application?
Yes, my lord. I have mentioned on my petition, my lord.
No, in the earlier application, there was such a direction.
Yes, madam.
So that, what is the BLAPL number in which such direction was given?
In BLAPL number, my lord, 9550 and 5 BLAPL 5551 of 2019. I have annexed both the application, my lord.
No, your last bail application, I think it is BLAPL number 29 of 2021.
Yes, that was the last application, and in the said application, Honorable Court, while passing the order, my lord, clearly mentioned in that order.
You are granted interim bail for a period of 3 months.
3 months.
Okay, and
that 5551 of 2019, ma'am.
And prior to that also you are granted interim bail for 3 months.
Guru bi sir mote direction diya hai.
Right, I followed it. So what is the status of this case?
Right now, what happened, my lord, in the last month, in the month of January, when I filed a subsequent application, thereafter the charge is framed, and only one witness is examined, my lord. And the present status is that, my lord, the accused is in custody for a period of 8 years, my lord.
No. You have been granted bail from time to time as it appears. So I just want to know, now the major offense is 302 or 307? Yes?
307, my lord.
307 case?
Yes, ma'am.
So who is that injured?
Injured is the superintendent of circle jail. Superintendent of circle jail, my lord.
Okay.
And Susanta Kumar Raut is the informant jailer.
No. How many injured persons are there?
Only one injured person.
What is the name of that man?
Sir, Ramananda Sahu.
Ramananda Sahu.
Yes, sir.
He is the sole injured in this case, right?
Yes, sir.
He was the jail superintendent.
Yes, sir.
Of Sambalpur jail.
Yes, sir.
That witness has been examined in the trial?
No.
Okay.
Last month charge is framed and one witness is examined. And in between this period...
All right. Charge has been framed. जो सेकेंड ऑर्डर चेंज कर लिखंतु 8 आइटम नंबर 8 जोटा लिखा हितला सेटा लिखिबे सीडी आउ क्रिमिनल एंटीसीडेंट आनिबे बोली मिस्टर Divya Prakash Misral and counsel appearing for the petitioner through virtual High Court Sambalpur submitted that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody in connection with this case on 19/8/2016, and he has been granted interim bail on some occasion by this court, and after availing the same, he surrendered. before the trial court. He further submits that last month charge has been framed and it is a case under section 307 of the Indian Penal Code. And the injured is one Ramanand Saha, was the jail superintendent of Sambalpur jail. And he is yet to be examined in this case. What is the date fixed for trial? Next date. It's not audible, Mr. Your voice is not audible. Mr. System Assistant. What is the next date?
Sir, on 27th, my lord.
27th March 2024.
Yes, sir. Sir,
All right. Land Council further submits that the date of trial is fixed to 27th March 2024. In view of such submission, let the inspector in charge of Dhanupalli police station appear before the case is pending before the London Sessions Judge Sambalpur.
London Assistant Session Judge.
Assistant Session Judge Sambalpur in ST case number 33/32 of 2018-2022, which arises out of Dhanupalli PS case number 261 dated 4/8/2016 on or before 20th of March 2024 and receive summons in respect of the aforesaid injured Ramanand Saha and ensure his attendance on the date fixed. Matter be placed in the week commencing from 2nd of April 2024. If the aforesaid witness is examined, Land Council for the petitioner shall produce the certified copy of his deposition, giving copy to the Land Council for the state. The Land Council for the state shall obtain specific instruction as to whether during the period of interim bail, whether the petitioner has misutilized, there is any allegation against the petitioner to have misutilized his liberty or not. Free copy of the order be handed over to the Land Council for the state. Yes.
Item 10.
Item 10. For if I may please your lordship, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Mohanty, my lord. My lord, third journey of the
You
petition.
have received the case diary?
No, my lord, the first time it is.
No, my lord.
What is the offense here?
My lord, 302,
Charge sheet filed under 394, 307, 302, 25 and 27 Arms Act.
So what do you say? Let him get the case diary?
My lord, I'm praying for an interim bail. Your lordship had last directed me to go on interim bail and I've surrendered on time, my lord. And after that, after my surrender, another 4 months have passed by. That was why.
Right. Let him obtain the case diary.
And my lords, the co-accused person's bail application is listed on.
Give the number with the case diary may be available there or.
My lord, Mogga hichi sathare 17.
Verify kariye. Give the number to the Land and State Council.
Okay.
The Land and Council for the state submits that he has not received the case diary. So also the instruction about the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. Land Council for the petitioner, on the other hand, submitted that one bail application of the co-accused is sub judice before this court, and he has furnished the number of the bail application to the Land Council for the state in court today. Let the Land Council for the state verify the said record as to whether case diary is available or not, and stop. The Land Council for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner approached this court last time for bail in BLAPL number 5584 of 2023, and as per order dated 4/8/2023, he was granted interim bail
for a period of 3
of
months
3 months. And after availing the same, he has surrendered at right.
and 13/11/2023.
Okay, surrender. Let the Land and Council for the state obtain instruction as to whether there is any allegation against the petitioner to have misutilized his liberty while on interim bail or not. Put up this matter on such and such date 27/3/2024. Free copy of the order be handed over to the Land Council for the state. Yes.
Gratefully, Your Lordship.
Item 11,
May I please, Your Lordship. 3 STSC Act along with other offences, my lord, dispute between two communities.
Yes. What is the offense here?
3 SC is there, one of the offense.
No, 3 SC it requires that if it is not maintainable, the offences are not attracted, then it's all right.
Charge sheet also filed, my lord, in this case. This
Yes.
case of 2022 ABLPL.
Earlier approached this code.
No, my lord.
Then what is this bail application? The two flag, it has come flag A and flag B. Your name is Ottala Bihari Khuntia, right?
Yes, my lord.
So
Accused number 2 is
as it appears, some of the co-accused persons approached this court for anticipatory bail, and their anticipatory bail application was rejected, and they were directed to surrender and move for bail. So what happened after they surrender? Whether they have been...
They all are released on bail.
All right. Heard the Land and Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state. Land Council submits that some of the co-accused persons approached this court for anticipatory bail in ABLAPL number 8394 of 2021 and ABLAPL number 16513 of 2021. And this court, while not inclining to grant them anticipatory bail, directed them to surrender in the court below and move for bail. And they have already been released on bail. And the petitioner is similarly situated like the co-accused persons who have been granted bail. And counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail, considering the submission made by the Land and Council for the respective parties. While not inclining to grant anticipatory bail to the petitioner, it is observed that in the event the petitioner surrenders in the court below and move for bail, it is now pending in which court?
Now, STGM, Lawrence Session Judge comes Special Judge.
Okay, courts below, nice court below. You surrender before the trial court, moves for bail. The same shall be disposed of expeditiously, preferably on the same day, and claim of verity with the co-accused persons who are stated to have been released on bail shall be taken into account at the time of consideration of the bail application. The case records shall be made available for disposal of the bail application. Yes, next.
item 12,
May I please?
Yes.
Madam, offense number 20B2C 27A 29 of NDPX Act, my lord. And custody since my lord 49
You have got
20.
the case diary?
Last occasion, my lord, Honorable Court directed to take instruction regarding whether the address furnished in the court title is right.
You are an outsider.
My lord.
UP.
Lordship, I am in item number 2, Lordship.
Huh?
Sub-item 2.
Sub-item.
I am in sub-item 2, Lordship.
You are also an outsider.
Outside.
Current counsel for the state submit that since the petitioner is a sworn so in the state of UP, may be given some time to obtain instruction. State Superintendent of Malkangiri district shall make necessary communication with sworn so. So, what instruction you have received? Atma Prakash, aged about 27 years, son of late Swanso. Let upon that. Verification of Swanso, Atma Prakash, and Kuldeep Rawat.
Second item.
Second item, Lordship. In 8027, BLAPL 8027.
I am the honored husband. I have verified the parentage address of so and so and so and so. Okay. Both are village verified, submitted according to the correct address is Atma Prakash, son of late Rambabu and Kuldeep so and so. So the address is correct. Now you are to file the names, documents, and of the two local sureties who are interested to take you on bail.
Yes, sir.
The learned counsel for the detailed case filed the written instruction received from the inspector SHO SHO Mathil police station dated 22/1/2024, which indicates that the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is a correct one. Same say order sethi bhi likhi debe. Let the learned counsel for the petitioner file the name, address, and documents of two local sureties who are interested to take the petitioner on bail. Kebe debe?
Within a week.
Within a week, on receipt of which the learned counsel for the state shall verify the genuineness of the bailers and the authenticity of the documents through inspector in charge of Mathili police station. Put up this matter next week. Let us say 22 पर्यंत चलेगा. तापर गोटे सप्ताह है. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 8th of April 2024. Yes.
Obliged.
Free copy of the order be handed over to the land.
Item 13.
List this matter along with the second item. Second item tar likhiwe this.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, sir.
My lord, your lordship had ordered dated.
Wait. Yes, item 13.
My lord, lordship had ordered dated 29/2/2024. Was pleased to call for the deposition copy that out of 34 charge sheet witnesses, 11 witnesses has already been examined, and they have also handed over the copy of the deposition to us, my lord. And I have verified. Yes, ma'am. I have verified, my lord, that except 9 and 10, they are two independent witnesses, and they have not supported the prosecution case, and other official witness supported me. And others, they are the official witnesses.
The contraband ganja.
Yes.
That was seized from the possession of the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. Yes, that the truck, well, it was seized from a truck, and this present petitioner was 164 kg.
So what is your submission now?
My submission, my lord, that I'm in custody, my lord, since long, my lord, since 2020, my lord, I'm in custody. That 24/8/2020, and my lord,
you have never been released on
no, my lord, no, my lord.
And what about the criminal antecedent?
No, I have no criminal. That has not come from there. In our PS, there is no.
ठीक है चलो नहीं लोग को कोडी करो बाहर that address verification has been made.
Sorry.
Who order बोलो address verification है ना?
No.
Yes, there was an order on 14/12/2023, Mr. Tripathi.
Yes.
And there was a direction that the Superintendent of Police, Gajapati District, shall make necessary communication with the Superintendent of Police of Arya district. So in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
That letter has been sent on
Kebe.
16 Baro.
So what happened?
Nothing, no instruction has issued.
All right. I'm mentioning that
Yes.
no instruction has been
Yes.
issued. All right. Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Since a submission was made by the learned counsel for the state that the petitioner is a man from Jagirpur under Bidhunia police station of Ayaria district in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and he may be given some time to obtain instruction as to whether the address furnished in the cause title is correct one or not. As for order dated 14/12/2023, it was observed that the Superintendent of Police Gajapati district shall make necessary communication to the Superintendent of Police Arya district in that respect. Land Council for the state submitted that on 16/12/2023, communication has been made to Superintendent of Gajapati district from the AG office,
As well as the inspector in charge.
as well as the inspector in charge of which police station?
Odava.
Odava police station, to do the needful. However, no response has been received from them. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 24/8/2020. The status report submitted by the London Trial Court, which is dated 15/2/2024, indicates that out of 34 charge sheet witnesses, 11 witnesses have been examined. Since the state has not produced any instruction regarding the correctness of the address furnished in the cause title, let the London Council for the petitioner supply the name, address and documents of two local sureties who are interested to take the petitioner on bail to the Land Council for the state within 1 week. On receipt of the same, the Land Council for the state shall verify the genuineness of the bailer and the authenticity of the documents through IIC of Adaba Police Station, put up this matter within on week commencing from 8th April 2024.
Item 14.
Yes, item 14.
Offense under section 302, last occasion my lord was directed to file an affidavit regarding the antecedent, and I have filed an affidavit. There are 4 out of 4 cases, 3 cases he has already released on bail, but so far the 4th case is concerned, though the petitioner has applied for the certified copy, though they have not supplied it, they have in copy application they have written the case is disposed of.
Where is your affidavit? Comprehensive affidavit.
I have given, my lord.
The one GR case number is 19 of 2015.
My lord.
There you have mentioned that you are on bail.
I have also supplied the copy of that order.
All right. The second one, 238, you are on bail.
My lord.
Third one is GR case number 20 of 2013.
My lord.
You are also released on bail.
My lord.
So far as the 4th case, you have mentioned that
they have no the said court has not supplied the certified copy in copy application number 25 of 24 on dated 25/1/2024 I had applied, but they have stated this case has been disposed of, record not found.
Okay. So earlier you approached this court for bail.
My lord, twice I had approached.
So when you last came?
Last order, I have annexed, that is running page, my lord, 13. That is on 29/8/2022. That has been withdrawn.
That is 7648 of 2022.
My lord.
So now what is the position in the?
5 witnesses have been examined in this case. As the case has been already split up, I am in custody since 21/1/2020, my lord.
21/1/2020.
My lord.
Charge sheet under section
302 and other offences.
5 witnesses have been examined.
My lord. Copy of deposition.
And you have supplied the deposition copy.
No.
Where is the deposition copy? One, Dr. Puravi Mahanti, number 1.
My lord.
So number 2 is Dilip Kumar Das.
My lord. Third is Durjodhan Sahu.
Wait.
No.
So you have got the deposition copy of these 5 witnesses.
Yes.
So any other material witness is left out?
Eyewitnesses are there, my lord.
No.
They are not examined.
What is the total number of witnesses as per charge sheet?
19.
19.
Yes.
So you have now got the list of the names of those 5 witnesses.
Yes.
So who are the remaining eyewitnesses, as you said?
Yes.
That the informant, I am appearing on behalf of the informant.
What is the name of the informant?
Kailash Chandra Sahu.
Just a minute. Kailash Chandra Sahu. Yes.
Other co-accused persons' bail application has been turned down by your lordship.
That's all right. So Kailash Chandra Sahu is
And
one.
Eyewitness. Rabindra Sahu, eyewitness.
जो मैंने एग्जामिन है ही ना दी थी रविंद्र साहू आओ किए
Ananta Sahu
is an eyewitness.
8 to 9% they are
Ananta Sahu.
Pittavasa Sahu.
Pittava Sahu is an eyewitness.
Pavitra Sahu, sir.
Pavitra Sahu. These are the eyewitnesses who are yet to be examined.
They are yet to be examined.
What is the next date of trial?
To that extent, my lord, I have to take instruction.
Yeah, I have no knowledge.
And you produce those 4 witnesses on the next date. The learned counsel for both the parties like submit that as on date out of 19 charge sheet witnesses, 5 witnesses have been examined. The learned counsel for the state as well as learned counsel for the informant, however, submitted that 4 eyewitnesses are yet to be examined in the trial court, and they are Kailash Chandra Sahu, bracketary informant, Rabindra Sahu, Ananta Sahu, and Pavitra Sahu. Since the petitioner is stated to be in judicial custody since 21/1/2020,
My lord.
let which police station case it is?
Pipili, my lord.
Acha, let the inspector in charge of Pipili police station appear before the London trial court, that is second additional session judge
My
Puri,
lord.
in ST case number 4/26 of 2021 on or before 20th of March 2024, and receive summons in respect of the aforesaid 4 eyewitnesses and ensure their attendance on the dates fixed dash कर देवे अपन बुझिकिन दे देवे गोटे दिन की 2 दिन अछि
My
तो
lord.
ट्रायल कोर्ट ताऊ डिवाइड कर देगिन होय तो दे पारे हला ठीक है
Obliged.
put up this matter on such and such date if the aforesaid 4 eyewitnesses are examined, aforesaid witnesses are examined, the London counsel for the petitioner shall produce the certified copy of their deposition of serving the same, giving the copy thereof to the Land Council for the state as well as the informant.
One
by
thing,
the
my lord,
next day.
can I submit?
Yes.
The counsel for the who is appearing on behalf of the defense be directed to cooperate with the case, because in split up case I am appearing in the on behalf of the informant. They are taking time for the argument.
No.
From our side, the argument has been completed.
No, it's all right. Now the witnesses will be, yes, sir. It is made clear that if the witnesses are produced, the no adjournments shall be given to the London Defense Council. Hello?
Obliged.
Obliged. my lord.
Item 15.
May I please, your lordship?
Please, my lord.
Lord, in this case, my lord, on the last occasion, the
Yes,
will
yes.
call for the status
Is there
report.
available?
Yes, yes, it
Oh.
is. Status report has been called for from the
Last date is 1/2/2024.
my lord. Status report has been called for from the
Just a
trial court.
minute. Rejection order is dated so and so, which indicate that out of 23 charge sheet witnesses, 10 witnesses have been examined. Land counsel for the petition submitted, only one more witness has been examined thereafter, so it becomes 11. The petitioner has been granted interim bail, and after availing the same, he surrendered at right times. Okay. Status report was called for, right? So where is the status report? Okay, so 23 ରୁ 13ଟା witness examine ହେଇଛନ୍ତି. So what is the date of custody?
18/8/2017, my lord.
18/8/2017.
My lord.
So what are the offenses under which charge is submitted?
Lord, under section 148, 30, 148,
Yes.
147 is
147.
147, 148.
302 by 149, 307 by 149,
Just go slowly. 307 by 149. Yes.
436 by 149,
Hmm.
506 by 109,
Hmm.
and 342 by 109 of IPC and section 9B of
342.
my lord.
342 by 109.
My lord.
তারপরে
Section 9B of the Explosive Act and 27 of the Arms Act, my lord.
So how many times you have been granted interim bail?
Lord, in BLPL for 7429 of 2019, granted 1 month of interim bail, my lord. Thereafter, in BLPL 9722 by 2022,
9722.
my lord.
Yes, that is how many?
And that was extended also.
Okay, that was granted for 10 weeks, as it appears. That was extended.
My lord. And he surrendered on 4/3/2023.
So now this status report available. It's a case under 302
triple murder,
149, my lord.
And so, by the way, now 13 witnesses have been examined.
My lord.
Have you supplied the deposition copy?
Deposition, I am having PW up to PW6. I have supplied along with the bail application. Your lordship has called for the depositions also, my lord.
Deposition মগেইছিলে আচ্ছা এসিটা ଟିକେ বন্ধ করো মঝিরে মঝিরে
Out of the witnesses, my lord,
please
PW6.
wait.
PW6 support.
Please wait. Yes, the London Trial Court has sent the same. Have you received the copies?
No, my lord.
You? Acha, I'm asking the registry to supply you the. You want from PW7 to PW13,
Yes.
right? All right. Pay you the status report furnished by the London Trial Court. The London Trial Court has also sent the deposition copies. Let the copies of the deposition, Xerox copy of the deposition of PW7, TO2, PW13 be supplied to the one set to the Land Council for the state and another set to the Land Council for the petitioner. By next week, put up this matter on 27th March 2024. Yes.
Item 17.
Please, Your Lordship, my lords. I'm in custody for around more than 6 years. My date of custody is 11/3/2018. Your Lordship, on the last occasion, was pleased to call for a status report, which is at flag A, as per the noting. It's a case under 20B2.
Just a minute. This one will verify this. The status report is dated 30/10/2023, but nothing has been mentioned about the status. It is mentioned regarding address verification. I have not stated to the court for address verification.
You may kindly have a glance to order dated 19/10/2023.
Yes, that I have gone through that, sir. I have asked the state so far as you have obtained that instruction that.
Yeah, we have sent it, but not received any.
No, it has come to this court, but it should have been furnished through you, but the court has furnished to this court, and it has been mentioned in the status report that with verification, with reference to the Honorable Court's order, I am to submit here with the verification report regarding correctness of the address of the verification report kindly be placed. Then verification report has mentioned that one, so which is self-explanatory, whatever. Requested to verify the address of this also. ଜିନିଷ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଥିଲା କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା କରିବାକୁ ସେ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ନେଇ ପହଞ୍ଚେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। All right, take down the what is your instruction? How many witnesses have been examined?
Well, it's 2 witnesses which I have filed, my lords, along with the bail application.
What is that?
Well, that is at running page 25 onwards. PW1 is from running page 25 and PW2 is, my lords, 29.
PW2 was examined on 20th June 2022, right?
Again.
Or what is the total number of witnesses?
That's the total number of witnesses as per charge sheet is
Yes.
14.
14. Okay.
And I have annexed the order sheet while filing.
Yes.
If your lordship may kindly have a glance, page 67 of the brief.
67.
Okay. 38 to 2022 onwards, accused persons are produced, witnesses are absent. Then order 70, no witnesses, 28/9. Then 31/10, alerts, no witnesses, as the learned bar members were observing cease work. Next page, alerts 12/12/2022, no witnesses. Alerts the order dated 10/1/2023. There was an advance petition filed and 18.
No, it's all right. So your order sheet is up to 26/4/23.
Again.
So that indicates that after PW22, no further witness has been examined till 26/4, right?
Again.
So let's on to
and I'm in custody for more than 6 years.
right.
6 years, 3 days precisely.
The learning council for the as per order dated 19/10/2023, when the learning council for the state made a submission that the petitioner is a man from Durg district in the state of Chhattisgarh, and made a submission to verify the address furnished by the petitioner, correctness of the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title. The superintendent of police Sonpur was asked to make necessary correspondence with the superintendent of police Durg district in the state of Chhattisgarh to do the needful. However, a status report was called for from the Milan trial court. On verification of the status report submitted by the London trial court, it appears that nothing has been stated about the status of the case. Rather, the report has been reports are regarding the correctness of the address of the accused of the petitioner. it seems that the Learned Trial Court has not correctly followed the order passed by this court on 19/10/2023. Be that as it may, in view of the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that out of 14 charge sheet witnesses, only 2 witnesses have been examined, whose deposition copy he has filed, and it further reveals from the order sheet filed by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that till 18/1/2023, नहीं 18/1 ना कोई कह दे 26 शायद
18
नहीं 26 शायद और till 26/4 page 70 26/4
Yeah.
2023 no further witnesses have been examined after PW2. Let a status report be called for, in which the Learned Trial Court shall specifically indicates how many witnesses have been examined till date and why there is slow progress of the trial. The report should reach this court on or before 22nd of March 2024. Put of this matter on 27th of March 2024. And you do the one thing, you also supply the surety address and documents. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall furnish the names, address, and documents of 2 local sureties who are interested to take the petitioner on bail to the Learned Counsel for the state. In the meantime, on receipt of which the same shall be verified through the inspector in charge of Sonpur police station. Free copy of the order be handed over.
Let's maybe one thing, my lord. If your lordship will also call for the order sheets after 26/4.
Not necessary. You will just give the whether how many witnesses have been examined and you will explain the reason. Not necessary. Yes,
Well,
next.
because there was an earlier order to conclude the trial within 8 months.
We'll see that. Yes,
While
next.
order dated 9
Item 18.
29.
18, Mr. Roy.
My lord, I may be permitted.
Yes.
So if I may please your lordship. My lord, offences under section 302.
You have received the case diary?
Yes.
Okay.
120B.
Just
your lordship.
Is it the first bail application or earlier
Yes,
rejected?
my lord. Of the
First bail. Okay. What is the date of custody?
date of custody is 22/11/2019.
What are the offences under which charge is submitted?
302, 120B, 201.
And 212.
Charge sheet.
Yes.
212.
It's there.
Okay. So
It's
what is
against my lord, against the present petitioner,
charge sheet is?
main charge sheet
Brief facts of the case end को देखो से
आज्ञा page 13, 302, 120B, 201.
से वेरीफाई
आज्ञा
ना
ऊपर सब ऑफेंस गुड़ा को एकाठी लिखा ही था तो लास्ट आड़ को
yes madam
अलगा अलगा कराए थे
against 120B 302 201
yes
ठीक तरह से
yes.
So what is the name of the deceased?
My lord, there are 3 deceased persons.
Hmm.
One deceased is Nikki alias Nurun Pradhan. Nikki alias Nurun Pradhan.
Nurul.
N-U-R-U-N. Nurun.
N-U-R-U-N. अच्छा Nurun Pradhan.
आज्ञा one Ankita Pradhan.
Ankita Pradhan, yes.
And one Gayatri Pradhan.
Mother and 2 daughters.
Who is the mother?
Nikki alias Nurun Pradhan is the mother, and these 2 Ankita Pradhan and Gayatri Pradhan are the daughters. My lord, FIR was registered on 8/11/2019. The alleged death has taken place on 17/10/2019. But for the confessional statement of the present petitioner, and there is one witness, Chandu Dilbar, who says that he had seen the present petitioner and his brother, that they were digging a hole on 17/10/2019.
Now, what is the stage of trial? Because it's
My lord, out
triple
of 67 charge sheeted witnesses, only 3 have been examined.
67 tinta ହେଇଛନ୍ତି.
Agya.
No, according to you, who are the material witnesses to be examined?
My lord, as per me, my lord, it has to be Chandu Dilbar who has seen them.
Chandu
Dilbar, charge sheet witness 33.
Just a minute. Chandu Dilbar, CS number 33.
33. CA jane. Ao baki, because the bodies have not been identified, but the clothes have been identified by the mother of Nikki, who is Subarna Nag alias Khan. Kano body
So it is a case of circumstantial evidence.
Again, your lordship.
Okay. Mr. Tripathi.
Yes, ma'am.
So he says that out of 67, 3 witnesses have been examined. So one witness only remains, who is a material witness.
Material.
Whether any other witness, according to you, because it's a case, a triple murder.
Yes, ma'am.
So the
another witness is Khushbu, the Komal Agrawal.
कौन point है?
She was having a relationship with the accused Miller.
No, accused है पूरा.
My lord, there are 2 accused, prime accused. One is the present petitioner Bikram Pradhan, and the other is Chinmay Pradhan, who is the brother of the present petitioner. My lord, he has been granted bail by this honorable court through a coordinate bench.
No, I just want to see that the material witnesses all the material witnesses are examined. So you said that only one left out.
No, my lord, only 3 have been examined till today out of 67.
That's all right. Left out witnesses.
My lord, my lord, because my lord, the body
left out material witnesses to be examined. You said only one.
My lord, as per me, that is a material witness.
That is why I'm asking him also.
Yes.
Please verify, otherwise I'll give the direction to produce those witnesses, and thereafter
Khushbu alias Komal Agrawal is one, and that Subarna Nag, the mother of the deceased.
Just a minute. Give the list so that
yes, ma'am.
You do one thing, Mr. Tripathi.
Yes.
You mention it in a slip and hand it over. I'm mentioning the name. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 22/11/2019, and it's a case of triple murder. And in the trial court, out of 67 charge sheet witnesses, 3 witnesses have been examined. And the only remaining material witnesses to be examined is one Chandu Divar, who is charge sheet witness number 33. Learned counsel for the state, on the other hand, furnished a list of so-and-so number of witnesses, and they are so-and-so, so-and-so. तांकर CS number would be the charge sheet witness number. In view of such submission, let the IIC of Barcode Police Station appear before the learned trial court, that is additional session Judge Devgad, in ST case number so-and-so. Receive summons in respect of the aforesaid theta witness, and ensure their attendance on the date fixed, which is stated to be
18th March 2024.
18th March on the next date, which is posted after 18th March 2024, which is the present date of posting of the trial, the next date of the present date, which is, that is 18/3/20. Okay. Put up this matter on such and such date. The aforesaid witnesses are examined. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall produce the certified copy of the deposition. Please give the list.
Yes, I will.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, may I make a prayer before your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, because the petitioner is in judicial custody, may I request your lordship to call it from the registry? because, my lord, the petitioner is in judicial custody, my lord, not too much communications with the people who are dealing with the case. So, my lord, may I request that your registry may kindly call for these for the depositions.
No, if the witnesses are examined, then the question would come.
Okay.
After examination of such witnesses, the London trial court shall send a report along with the deposition copy of the aforesaid witness. On receipt of which a set of deposition shall be supplied to the land council for the state, another set to be land council for the petitioner.
Your lordship. I'm grateful, my lord.
ଭଲ କିନି ଭେରିଫାଏ କରି ଦେଇଦେବେ ହେଲା, ନହେଲେ ପୁଣି କଣ କହିବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରହିଗଲା ହେଲା।
Item number 19.
In this case, notice confirmation letter.
Item 20.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this is the second journey of the petitioner. The offense under section 302 and other allied offenses.
Just you have received the case diary? Okay.
My lord, similarly.
Wait.
Yes.
Okay, is it your first application or earlier rejected?
My lord, earlier rejected.
Earlier rejected. So what is that number?
My lord, BLAPL number 9096 of 2020.
Have you annexed that order?
No, my lord.
Pass on. So it was rejected on 11/8/2021.
Yes.
Thereafter, you have not approved.
No.
So now what is the position?
My lord, out of 32 charge sheet witnesses, 8 witnesses have been. trial is at a standstill because the presiding officer is not.
Okay.
And item number
7
5.
witnesses have been examined.
He says 8. All right. 8 witnesses have been examined.
And your lordship has granted bail to persons, some of the co-accused persons,
If your
who have
lordship,
been implicated by the witnesses in the trial.
Okay, we'll see that.
In that connected matter, item 5, which was adjourned,
Ah,
I have given all this.
okay. So it was adjourned to what date?
no, my lord, your lordship said the CD was not available in item 5. But this arises out of the same affair. So since the CD is available, it can also
So
be taken
then
up.
it can be taken up next
Yes,
week. Both the matters. Item number
5 of today's list, my lord.
Yes, it was adjourned. So, Mr. Counsel, it will be taken up next week. আচ্ছা এই ଯୋଉ 5 ତାରିଖ 5ଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ରଖିଦେଇଛି 27 ତାରିଖରେ ତା ଦେହରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କିଏ ନେଇଛି ଡିକ୍ଟେସନ କହିଦେବେ ଯେ the learned counsel for the state submits that the case diary is available in the connected bail application, that is BLAPL number 8527 of 2023, and the matter may be taken up next week. Hala? Put up this matter on 19th of March 2024 along with BLAPL number 8527 of 23. Put a seater likhibe. 8 likhibe. List this matter on say 19th along with BLAPL number 316 of 2020. Hala? Okay. So 19 तारीख दिन आसीबो. 19 3 with item number, which number is item number 20. This is also 19.3 with item number 5.
Let's both matters be tagged together.
Yes,
so
yes, sir, that I
grateful. Great.
yes. अच्छा 8 रे खाली कर दियंतु learning council ए जोटा second 8527 that earlier application of the petitioner was rejected in BLAPL number 9096 of 2020 as per order dated 11/8/2021, and he has filed the rejection order which is taken on record. Near.
Item 21.
21, Mr. Pushpamitra Mahapatra. Nobody is there.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, the petitioner filed an interim application regarding the mother of the petitioner is suffering from cancer.
This there is no I. This is
I
1 to
number
4.
1244 of.
So instruction has been sought for.
No, your lordship, it is first time.
First time. You obtain the instruction, huh? IA number 1 2. Huh? कौन है जी? Copy अच्छी तो? Medical document अच्छी तो?
Yes, your lordship.
नहीं तार अच्छा. IA number 1244 of 2020. This is an application for interim bail on the ground of ailment of the mother of the petitioner. Medical document has been annexed to the interim application. Learned counsel for the state who has received the copy of the interim application seeks some time to obtain instruction on the IA. Put up this matter. 27 तारीख रखिबी. List this matter.
Lordship, the petitioner is an outsider.
बुझ पाइलिन.
The petitioner is the outsider, lordship.
अच्छा. Then that you obtain also that instruction. अच्छा, since 2 तारीख रख दियंतु. Since the petitioner is a man from
Jharkhand, lordship.
Okay, the district so-and-so in state of Jharkhand, the learned counsel for the state shall also obtain instruction through the superintendent of police so-and-so, whether the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is a correct one or not. So, come on 2/4/2020. Yes.
Item 22.
Your Lordship, item 22, I am praying for a passover on behalf of Mr. Sarthak Naik, Your Lordship.
No, it will come then tomorrow. Passover.
Tomorrow I will not be available.
ଏବେ ଶ୍ରାଦ୍ଧ
କେବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ କଣ କମିଂ
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ଆସିବ
କମିଂ
Your,
ୱିକ୍ କେବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍
Your Lordship, in between 14th and 17th, there is a difficulty. Otherwise, as your Lordship.
14 17
11 12 କହୁଛ
ଆଜି 18 ରୁ 22 ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ କହିବେ କନଭିନିଏଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ବୋଥ ଦି ସାଇଡ୍ କୁ ମୁଁ ରଖିଦେବି କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ପଣ୍ଡା give a
I am comfortable
let it be on a 19 20 21 जो date
If your Lordship allows, your Lordship on Tuesday.
okay 19 put up this matter as paid for by the land council for the Sarthak night and so on so put up this matter 19/3/2024 Mr. Devashish Panda land council for the petitioner is present here
I'm much obliged, Your Lordship.
yeah
25
Item 23.
23 Mr. Karunakar yes
Lord, this is the second round application.
Earlier application is BLAPL number
4468 of 2022. Your Lordship has rejected the application on 13/2/2023.
right and there was a direction to conclude the trial within a period of 6 months from the date of framing of the charge.
My Lord.
So what has happened in the trial court?
My Lord, Your Lordship on 24/11/2023 call for the status report.
What status report has come, Dekiva? Prosecution report has been produced, cognizance taken, so and so. Charge was framed on 7/7/2022. Acha.
My information, my Lord, 2 witnesses have been examined.
No, your information is correct. That is what is mentioned in the also. But it is a report of 4/12/2023. So in the meantime, 3 months have already passed.
Till now, 2 witnesses have been examined. And I have handed over the copy to the state, my Lord.
And how many you are in custody since when?
9/1/2022. And while in custody, my Lord, I have been granted interim bail for twice.
By this court?
By this honorable court.
In this case or in the other
in the earlier case, my Lord.
Okay.
4468 of 2022. The first one was on 20.
No, it's all right. What is your instruction?
Civil directed us to take instruction whether he misutilized at the time of that instruction I have not received, couldn't able to contact that excise officer.
So get it next week. We'll take up this matter. The Learning Council for the state submits that as per the previous order of this court, he has already made communication with the concerned police official, excise officer, to give a report as to whether during the interim bail period the petitioner has misutilized his liberty or not. But the report is awaited and he may be given some more time in that respect. Peruse the status report dated 4/12/2023, from which it appears that out of 3 PR witnesses, 2 witnesses have been examined. The Learning Council for the petitioner, however, submits that thereafter no further witness has been examined. Since 3 months have already passed, let a fresh status report be submitted by the Learning Trial Court, and Registered Judicial shall communicate the order to the Learning Trial Court during course of the day through email, and the report be furnished by 18th of March 2022.
27.
अच्छा ताले ताकि टी अधिका समय दे जंतु report be called for by
14 times
15th March 2024 रे report मगेवे, and that is to be furnished by 21st of March 2024. Matter to be listed on 27th March 2024. ना?
Dairy criminal antecedent also be.
CD and CAB obtained. Yes.
Item 24.
My pleasure, Lordship. Petitioner is in custody on 13/3/2022.
Just a minute. Case diary available?
The case diary is available in another case. I will take it. Let it come next week.
Next week. The Learned Counsel for the state submits that the case diary is available in a connected case record and the matter may be taken up next week.
The CA report has come, my lord. Nothing adverse.
He further submits that the report regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, which was called for, has been received, which indicate that there is no criminal antecedent. The report is taken on record. Put up this matter. 19 तारीख रखी दूची? Okay. Put up this matter on 19/3/2024.
Item 25.
Mr.
Item 26.
26, Mr. Yes.
May I
Yes.
please to call for the status report and CD status.
Yes, just a
to CD and CA.
Status report indicates that out of total 18 witnesses, 5 witnesses have been examined.
That's it.
This is the status report dated 7/12/2023. So, any further witnesses have been examined?
No.
No instruction or no witness has been examined.
No witness.
Okay, so it's a case under section
21C NDPS Act, Lords, and in the meantime he has been allowed twice the interim bail and he has not misutilized those opportunities.
You surrender at right time.
Right time, Lord Chief.
So, you are a man from
Local
Ajah.
for the state.
So,
And the Lordship, the co-accused person has been released by this honorable court.
okay, just to let him. You have got the instruction how they conducted themselves. So get that. Let me peruse the status report submitted by the London Trial Court, which is dated 7/12/2023, from which it appears that out of 18 charge sheet witnesses, 5 witnesses have been examined. London Counsel for the petitioner submitted that thereafter no further witness has been examined. Stop. London Counsel further submits that the petitioner was granted interim bail on 2 occasions. And after availing the same, the petitioner surrendered at right time before the London Trial Court, and he has never misutilized the liberty in any manner. Land Counsel for the state seeks some time to obtain instruction as to whether there is any allegation of misutilization of liberty by the petitioner during the period of interim bail or not. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 27th of March 2024. Yes.
Item 27.
Here, my lord, I'd order last occasion, by order dated 10/11/2023.
10/11.
So, my lord, call for the status report.
Status report as again. Plug in.
Custody near about 4
Wait. So and so. 14 witness ru 3 witness ହେଇଛନ୍ତି. This is the report dated 17/11.
ତାପରେ ଆଉ 4 ବର୍ଷ ପାଖାପାଖି ରହିଲେଣି 19/6/2020
ଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି interim bail କେତେଥର ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି?
2 time ମିଲଟ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ମିଲଟ PLA 10,271 of 2021
19/6 କେବେ କଷ୍ଟଡି ଗଲେ?
19/6/2020
2020 ତା ଭିତରେ 2 ଥର interim bail.
PLA ନମ୍ବର
ଠିକ
10,000
ଅଛି, ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଟାଣନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ଲାଇଟରେ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ହେଲା ଯେ he was granted interim bail twice and he has never misutilized the liberty, surrender at right time. State counsel submit that he may be given some time to obtain instruction in that respect. As a peruse the status report dated so and so, which indicates that out of so and so 14 witnesses, 3 witnesses have been examined. Mr. Pandal and counsel submit that thereafter no further witness has been. You have taken instruction. Okay. Put up this matter on 27/3/2024. Yes.
Item 28. In this case, my lord, there are 60 witnesses, charge-sheeted witnesses, my lord. Out of them, 23 have been already examined. And now the status report required, my lord. The position I have no instruction.
Status report to be called for.
Yes.
How many witnesses have been examined?
Total, I have instruction in the month of December, my lord, 23. I have 24. I have also supplied that copy, my lord.
No, it's all right. So, you want the status report since it's a December, last witness was examined in December. All right. And when you are taken into custody?
My lord, he is in custody since 2020.
2020. So, have you been released on interim bail? The London Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has instruction that in the trial court out of total number takete kaile
60.
60 witnesses, 24 witnesses have been examined, and PW 24 was examined in 66 out of 66 witnesses, 24 have been examined, and the last witness, that is PW 24, was examined on
31/7/2023.
31/7/2023, and he has also received instruction that thereafter no further witness has been examined. In view of the passage of the time, in the meantime, let a press status report be called for. Then put up this matter in quick commencing from 27th March 2024. Yes. Is this man is a local man or outsider?
Local.
All right.
Item 29.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
Who is appearing for the other side? You are? Okay. So you have received the case diary? It's a bail matter.
Case did not received, but earlier kindly have a glance, Miller. Earlier rejected in bail April 4422/22, Miller. I'm kind of a glance, Miller. Total 5 crores somewhat he has collected, Miller.
not
Just have patience.
That is mentioned in the order system, like kind of a glance.
Now the petitioner, how many petitioners are there in this PLAPL?
Your Lordship,
One, Pallavi Mishra.
Yes, Your Lordship.
1 Miller.
So this Pallavi is in custody since 5/5/2022.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Charge sheet under section so and so. Okay. Okay, there was a direction to deposit 15 lakhs. It was not complied with. Submitted that at best a deposit of rupees 8 lakhs also. Economic offense considered grave offenses, submitted is so and so. So your bail application was rejected 10/7/23.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the development made?
Your Lordship, thereafter, since I could not pay the amount that was directed to be paid by both the petitioners.
No, it's all right. That chapter
Your
is closed.
And now, Your Lordship, the trial has commenced, Your Lordship. The
Trial has come in.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Trial has commenced, and out of 33 charge sheeted witnesses, Your Lordship, 5 witnesses have been examined, Your
Yes.
Lordship. And some of the witnesses have specifically stated that this present petitioners has never induced them to deposit any kind of money.
Where is your deposition copy?
Your Lordship, I do not have the certified copy of the deposit.
Then how can I rely upon it? And if you are to give it to
Yes,
the
Your
side also. So are you facing any difficulty in obtaining the certified copy?
Yes, Your Lordship, we have.
Alright, then I'm asking the trial court to send it. But your instruction is that 5 witnesses have been
Yes, Your
examined.
Lordship.
All right. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that earlier when the petitioner approached this court for bail in BLAPL number 4422 of 2022, the bail application was rejected as per order dated 10/7/23. He has instruction that out of 33 charge sheet witnesses, 5 witnesses have already been examined in the trial court. But in order to the land council submit that the deposition copy may be called for because the petitioner is unable to collect the certified copy of the deposition of those 5 witnesses. In view of the submission, the learned presiding officer designated court under the OPID Act in city case number 4 of 2022, which arises out of Dhenkanal town PS case number 131 of 2022, sent the deposition copies of all the witnesses examined so far to this court, Xerox copy, on receipt of which one set of deposition to be supplied to the counsel for the special counsel for the state of Orissa, Mr. Khodam. One set to the counsel for the petitioner and another set to the land counsel for the informant. Okay, put up this matter in the week commencing from 27th of March 2024. Yes.
Much obliged.
Item 30.
Mr. Panda, it is your.
My lords. Please, your lordship, my lords.
CD available?
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, status report was called for, which is at flag D. Since I'm in custody since
Just flag D. It indicates that out of 25 charge sheet witnesses, 5 witnesses have been examined. That is the report dated 14/12/23. So what is the position now?
Well, to my instructions, 11 witnesses have been examined.
Oh, just a minute. So, 25 to 11. So, what is the date of custody?
Well, the date of custody is 2/2/2021. 2nd of February 2021.
You have been released on interim bail at any point of time?
No, my lords. My instruction does not. Previous way the application was.
No, have you not made the address verification?
Yes, I have done it.
What is the found?
Genuine.
Correct.
Yes.
So, furnish the local sureties.
My lords.
The Learned Counsel for the state has produced the report of the IIC Mona Police Station, wherein it is mentioned that the address furnished by the petitioner in the first title is found to be correct, and there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. Let the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has received instruction that out of 25 charge sheet witnesses, 11 witnesses have been examined. Let the Learned Counsel for the petitioner supply the
Lords, may I
names.
pray if your lordship will call for the deposition copies, because I just have the
We
instruction.
will not consider about the interim bail. So,
My lords.
so out of Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall furnish the name, address, and documents of two local sureties who are interested. Is allowed for verification through the inspector in charge of Mona Police Station. Put up this matter on such and such date. Yes, 8 of address verification.
Grateful, my lords.
Item 31.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, on the last occasion, status report was called for, lordship, on 1/12/2020.
Status report Asila. Out of 20 charge sheet witnesses, 9 witnesses have been examined.
Yes.
So it was you are a man.
Local man.
Local man.
Lordship, by the annexure for it has been categorically stated to conclude the trial within a period of 6 months. Page 34. In the previous rejection order. This is the second. Yes.
Rejection order means that is 4713 of 2022.
Yes, Lordship. 2023, Lordship.
no. Bail application number is 4713 of 2022.
Yes, Lordship.
Rejected on 22/2023.
Page 34, Lordship.
Yes, and direction was to conclude the trial within 6 months.
Yes, sir.
So that has not been complied with.
Yes, sir.
According to you.
Yes, sir, Lordship.
Any criminal antecedent?
No, sir.
Are the Learned Counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state? The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since Kebe
12/5/2022.
12/5/22. 12/5/2023.
22.
when the petitioner approached this court for bail in BLAPL number 4713 of 2022 as per order dated 20/2/2023, while rejecting the application for bail, the Land and Trial Court was directed to expedite the trial and conclude the same within a period of 6 months from the date of framing of the charge. And the petitioner was given liberty to renew the prayer for bail if the trial is not concluded within the aforesaid period. Review the status report furnished by the Land and Trial Court, which indicates that out of 20 charge sheet witnesses, 9 witnesses have been examined. The Land and Council for the state has obtained instruction that there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner.
Copy I will give.
And he has
No, I will not given. I will give.
Acha. ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦଉଛି ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେବେ. And he filed the copy of such a report which is taken on record. Land Council for the petitioner said like that is a local man, hello? Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties since the earlier order passed by this court regarding conclusion of the trial within the prescribed period has not stipulated period has not been complied with, and the petitioner is having no criminal antecedent. While not inclining to release him on bail on merit in view of the bar under section 37 of the NDPS, I'm inclined to release him on interim bail for a period of 3 months. Yes. Disposed of.
Item 32.
Like in normal condition would have been.
May plus.
Yes.
Earlier bail application of the petitioner was rejected by BLAPL number 11526 of 2023.
ସେଇଆକୁ ଆଇଥିଲା 6 ମାସରେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ସରିଯାଉ କଣ ପୋଜିସନ କଣ
technically Sakhi or Lordship may call for this.
ଓ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିନି କି
Report wrongly it is not.
The Land and Council for the case diary by agent.
Yes, sir.
Indian CA was called for.
CA has jaiji.
CA only CD has come.
Get the in the meantime get the Land and Council for the state submit that he has received the case diary but not the criminal antecedent 6 for an adjournment. Stop. Land Council for the petitioner submit that the petitioner earlier approached this court for bail in BLAPL number so and so, which was rejected as per order dated so and so, annexure, and it was directed to conclude the trial within 6 months. But he has instruction that have you got any, and he has got no instruction about the status of the case. Status report be called for, matter be placed on such and so. Yes.
Item 33.
May I please, Lordship, a report was there, your Lordship kindly see. Your Lordship in last order, in last the bail application, my Lord 8786 2022 directed to conclude the trial within 3 months. But till today, my Lord, that
A report has come that out of 8 witnesses, 7
have given, my
7 have been examined. Huh?
I have already supplied, my Lord.
Deposition copy.
My Lord, that is fact why.
So what is the offense here?
302, my Lord.
302.
My Lord, 2 times the petitioner granted interim bail, he has never misutilized the liberty.
No.
And
what the witnesses have stated here, the total number of charge sheet witnesses is 8.
8, my Lord.
7 have been examined.
My Lord.
Have they implicated you in any manner?
My Lord, implicated, man.
Who has implicated you?
The informant, my Lord, your Lordship can. PW 3, my Lord.
PW
1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
And what they have stated about the overtax committed?
Yes.
My Lord, that is sudden fight, my Lord, between the 2 family, my Lord. They are the children of 2 sisters, my Lord.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ overtax ଟା କଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି? Accused Suresh Pradhan suddenly picked up a crowbar, dealt a blow on the head of so and so, as a result of which he fell down on the ground.
My Lord, he is the son of the informant, my Lord. This is the son of the informant.
So blow given on the head,
my Lord, by a crowbar.
By crowbar. So what is the date of custody?
Custody, my lord, since 11/9/20, my lord.
11/9/20
Again.
କେବେ ଆସିଥିଲେ last time?
Last time ଆସିଥିଲି 2022 ରେ 8786/2022, my lord. Your lordship on 36/23 passed the order. Disposed of on 36/22.
So to conclude the trial by end of September 23
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା। Status report ala flag X pura. Yes, Mr. Is now in custody for 3 years and 6 months, right? You are for the informant. What is your submission? Any criminal antecedent against him?
No.
No, madam, no.
Not a single case.
So your witnesses have been examined. Perhaps the only last witness is the investigating officer, right? So what is your apprehension if he is released on bail? We have 3.5 years. Ultimately, if he is found guilty, he will be punished, and there may be 302 or some other lesser offense. That is a different matter. So এটা কোনটে? Oh, crime রে। What is your objection? How many years of practice you have?
15.
Hmm?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ କେତେ ଦିନ practice?
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ ଦିନର practice?
16 plus my lord.
16 years of
Yes,
practice.
yes, ma'am.
Acha. What is your good name?
মানে জিতেন্দ্র কুমার দিগল।
Jitendra Kumar Diga. Are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody since 11/9/2020,
My lord.
and when he approached this court for bail last time in BLAPL number 8786 of 2022, as per order dated 36/2023, the bail application was rejected. However, taking into account the custody period, so also the progress of the trial, the learned trial court was directed to conclude the trial by end of September 2023. But the same has not been done, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. The status report was called for from the talent trial court, which indicates that out of 8 charge sheet witnesses, 7 witnesses have already been examined, and the case is now posted for examination of the investigating officer. Learned counsel for the state has obtained written instruction from the IAC Model Police Station, Parla Khemudi, which is dated 5/1/2024, to indicate that there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. The instruction is taken on record. Learned counsel for this informant opposed the prayer for bail. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the progress of the trial, the fact that the earlier order passed by this court in BLAPL number 8786 of 2022 has not been complied with, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Had Mr. Jitendra Kumar Digal likive, full matter for the informant. Kuda? Diyantu. Nali pen diyantu. এটা মেনশন করে দেবে ওটা কোনটা আইবি কোডি করে আচ্ছা এটা অপারেটিভ পোর্শন অফ দি অর্ডারে লিখে দিয়েছি না while date fix ହେଇଛି in arbitrary that is corrected as 24. Yeah.
Item 34.
May I please, my lord, I'm through virtual mode. My lord, on last date of hearing, my lord had directed for address verification, and as per instruction, the local police has already verified the address, my lord. And two co-accused are already on regular bail, and three are granted the interim bail by my lord. Sir, my lord.
Just a minute, have patience. So what has been
Yes,
done?
it is verified, genuine, but may not for real address.
So address is correct.
Yes.
And what about the sureties?
He has not located.
Not furnished.
My lord, we have already supplied the details of sureties through the WhatsApp number of London State Council, sir, my lord.
Which state council?
Mr. Das, my lord.
Arupananda Das.
Yes, my lord.
When you supplied?
On 17 January this year, my lord.
18-12, 17
No, ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି 18-12 products. 17 ଜାନୁଆରୀରେ supply କରିଛନ୍ତି.
ନାଇଁ ରେକର୍ଡ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କପି ମୁଁ ଭେରିଫାଇ କର
So have you got those details with you now?
Yes, my lord.
So please send it to Mr. Tripaঠি's WhatsApp number so that
my lord,
it can be verified. I shall do one thing. You ascertain from Mr. Das, he might have sent it and communication. Whatever it may be, there must be some document mentioned in your official file that
that is there.
received and instruction sought for all these things. So that must be also xeroxed out, downloaded and xeroxed out, and then a copy is to be kept here. So nothing is there here.
Address verification ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଛି so far local seat
Address verification ତ ଆସିଗଲା ସେଇଟା ବାସ୍.
my lord, I'm humbly requesting if my lord deem it fit that kindly the verification is let in the trial court, my lord.
No,
because
no.
the bail application is
that
already
will
pending
face
for
a lot of
1
difficulty.
year.
Sorry, sir. Look, the Learning Council for the state has produced the written instruction received from the Superintendent of Police Malkangiri that the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct one. The written instruction is taken on record. Land Council further submits that the details of the sureties along with the documents have already been furnished in the WhatsApp of Mr. Arupananda Das, an additional government advocate. Let the Land Council for the state on what date you furnished?
On 17 January, my lord.
On 17th January 2024. Let the Land Council for the state obtain instruction as to whether any communication has been made with the concerned IIC for whether any such report has been received, WhatsApp document has been received, so and so, and whether any communication has been made with the IIC of Mathili police station for verification of the same or not. Code of this matter on such and such.
My lord, any short date, my lord. Can you
Okay.
fix a date because it is on
No, but
last.
it is subject to whether that WhatsApp is.
My lord, I am again sending to.
Get it. All
My
right.
lord, I'm sending today itself again to London.
Today again send it to Mr. Tripaঠি's WhatsApp.
My lord, I have not his WhatsApp number. It my lord.
That will be furnished. What is the number, Mr. Tripathi?
My lord, if it is there, I will get it. Or
if it is not there, he is submitting that.
94379.
Take the number 9437
9
65708.
65
708.
708. Send it immediately so that follow-up action will be taken. Yes, next.
Please, my lord.
Item 35.
35 it is arranged that IFL issue, my lord.
Just a minute.
To the 24, my lord, already released the one person. Hearing, my lord. Custody since 47/11/26.
Mrs. Sahu.
My lord.
You took time to produce the case diary and also obtain instruction about the criminal antecedent.
My lord. Obtain, my lord. Already obtained, my lord. Regarding criminal antecedent, two criminal antecedent.
What are they?
That is, my lord, item 39 and 41.
Alright, you do one thing. Is it that case of that Naya Sadak that?
Yes, my lord.
Alright.
I have held matter, my lord. One page instruction already received, my lord. I have sent the same.
No, you go through the instruction. Go through the instruction. We'll take up this matter next week. Something has been stated against you. You should know it what is there. Release on some of the co-accused have been released on. I know it, but go through it and have you got a copy of this one?
My lord.
All right. Hand over the copy.
My lord.
So that Land Council for the state has produced the instruction received from the SCP Zone 3 Cuttack UPD, which is taken on record. Let a copy of the same be supplied to the Land Council for the petitioner. Put up this matter next week. Yes.
My lord, 35, 39 and 41 is the same matter.
Same matter.
My lord.
A instruction tadri we call for it.
Same, my lord.
Either sabu achi.
My lord, two criminal antecedent.
Okay.
Regarding that.
Aja, the man is same.
My lord.
Acha. So kota kujandi?
35, 39, 41.
41. Good date rakhi Data and
Well, in the meantime, supply the copy of the order, my lord.
Acha, lekhi down. The Land Council for the petitioner submitted that some of the co-accused persons have been released on bail in connection with this case, and the petitioner stands on the similar footing. Let the copies of the bail order be furnished to the Land Council for the state for verification. Yes, regarding claim of clarity. Huh?
Because all the principal experts already eliminated.
I've stated that he has to just verify if
a good some they reach.
It are of your record. तीनटा record दे दिया हाँ आधे लिखी हुई इटा तासे yes next case
Item 36.
Proceed. Offense under section 376 and 6 POSCO Act. Date of occurrence.
case diary and the matter will be taken up next week in order to obtain instruction regarding sufficiency of service of notice on the informant. Put up this matter. They go to next week. Yes.
Item 37.
Yes, Mr. Das.
Well, at the outset, I take approach. In the certificate, I failed to mention about earlier. I have given a memo of those two things. So I have stated last
What
occasion.
Is this IA for bail again?
My lord, the wife is ill, my lord.
You are pressing that application?
In fact, considering
pressing it on merit.
On merit.
Merit also. IA number 96 of 24. In application, Land Council doesn't want to press. So disposed of. Land Council for the petitioner files a memo wherein it is indicated that the petitioner earlier approached this court in so and so that yes, when it was disposed of, that earlier number is?
Earlier number is, my lord, 9045 of 2022. That was the last one.
Huh?
Out of two, the last one was disposed
the
of.
Last one of the
18th April 2022.
No, number.
Number ta hochi 9045.
9045 लो काहे 9
In fact, I was also checking, it has not been uploaded.
कौन ऑर्डर एटा ହେଇଥିଲା ବି ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି
ତାର ଦିଟା ପରେ ହେଇଛି, ଖାଲି ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ଦିଟା ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି।
ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିଦବ ଆଉ ଭେରିଫାଇ କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ
ହଁ ମୁଁ check କରୁଛି।
ବିଏଲଏପିଏଲ ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା presumably the
କେତେ ନମ୍ବର କହୁଛନ୍ତି
9045 of 22।
डिस्पोजल डेट देखुची 18 एप्रिल 2023 18 एप्रिल 18 एप्रिल और द ड्यूटा लिखा है ड्यूटा में सेठी हां दाउपटा अराउंड 184 no it is not uploaded
but twice the period has been extended. I presume that it is for the
you are granted interim bail.
No.
Then what is that earlier order?
Conclusion of trial, what I have been told, my lord. A period has been twice extended.
So now what is the stage now?
Your lordship on last occasion called for a status report, my lord. And
just a minute.
Address verification. Sorry, last order was for address verification.
Address verification as jayichi.
It is by mistakenly sent to the Raigoda SP, my lord. In fact, in the jurisdiction of the Koraput SP, my lord. Yesterday, I have already sent the same, the SP Koraput, my lord.
କାହିଁକି ଏଟା ପୁରା ରାୟଗଡ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଜୟପୁର ସଦର my lord ଆସୁଛି କୋରାପୁଟ SP ଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡରରେ। yesterday ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେଟ୍ କରିଥିଲି, କହିଲା ପରେ ଗୋଟେ କରିଦେଲି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କାଲି ରାତିରେ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଛି।
अच्छा अच्छा से इंस्ट्रक्शन टा आनिबे ठीक अछि
ଆଜ୍ଞା
देन
ଲୋକାଲ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି।
नहीं नहीं लोकल नहीं तो आउ कोन दिया था कोन पर हेतला
स्टाटस रिपोर्ट कॉल पर हेइनी आज्ञा आथर केवल थिला लोकल
हां स्टेटस रिपोर्ट कॉल फॉर हेनी
आज्ञा
ऑलराइट क्रिमिनल एंटीसीडेंट मगाइतला
हेलो क्रिमिनल एंटीसीडेंट
ऑलराइट the Learning Council for the state submit that he has received the case diary instruction about the criminal antecedent, but so far as address verification is concerned, the matter may be taken up, the matter may be adjourned so that appropriate instruction will be obtained in the meantime. Stop. The Learning Council for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since kebetu roileni
11th November 2020.
11th November 2020, and he has instruction that how many witnesses
that instruction.
That
instruction.
And he is not aware about the progress of the trial. Let a status report be called for. To put up this matter, give a date. Yes.
Only I was praying for a early date because
no,
the medical emergency
will be on 27th. It will
deeply obliged.
Yes.
Item 38.
I've already surrendered, and the surrender certificate has already been filed. Lord,
Yes,
last time, your lordship has directed the
wait,
report has called for K, Lord, like
Learn
K.
Council for Judicial Custody granted interim bail 4-8 surrendered on 3/11/23. He further submitted out of 19 charge sheet witness, 2 witnesses have been examined. Let us start as report be called for. नहीं आप जो जाइथिले आगुरु बेल ले जाइथिले
आगे तीन मास जाइछे या 5533 of 23 on 4/8/2023 lordship's order, and I have already surrendered on
3 मास में जाइथिले
आगे
okay
nothing has been progressed.
So now where is the status report मगाइथिला अपना
K मिलो
K
Yes.
अच्छा Same ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଇ ଦୁଇଟା witness out of so and so has been examined.
ଠିକ ଅଛି improve
So no change. Yes, madam, Mrs. Sahu,
My lord.
he was granted interim bail, and at that time also two witness examined. Now same position, no further witness has been examined. He surrendered at right time. Or the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Pay you the status report, but flag K, which indicates that out of 19 charge sheet witnesses, 2 witnesses have been examined. It further indicates that the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months as per order of this court passed in BLAPL number 5533 of 2023, and he has surrendered after availing the interim bail period. When the bail order was granted, at that point of time, ସେତେବେଳେ କେତେଟା witness ହେଇଥିଲେ?
ସେଇଆ ଥିଲା
Huh?
ସେଇଆ ଥିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା
Same number of witnesses had been examined. Therefore, practically there is no progress in the trial. After hearing the learned counsel for the respective parties and taking into account the slow progress of the trial, conduct of the petitioner in complying the earlier interim bail order, and after going through the status report, I am inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months. Disposed of. Yes.
Item 40.
Yes, item 40, Mr.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
No, in this case, on the last occasion, Your Lordship was called for the address of the status report of the address of the present petitioner.
Status report maga itala.
Address verification.
Just a minute. Let me see order number 1. Status report kora itala. Status report to asila. State Council took time to obtain the case diary and criminal antecedent. So also the address verification. So case diary paile.
Case diary available and also criminal antecedent.
Criminal antecedent. Address verification egala.
Address verification till yet not.
He is a man from Samil district in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
My lord.
You have made the communication with the.
My lord. SP Koraput, my lord.
Okay, get that. Lekhondu. Review the status report furnished by the learned trial court, which indicates that out of 9 shortlisted witnesses, 5 witnesses have been examined. And since 1/6/2023, no presiding officer is there in the court. Put up this matter in the week commencing from 27th of March 2024. Learned counsel for the state shall obtain the instruction regarding address verification, and you supply the local sureties.
Yes, sir. I'll supply.
The names, address, and documents of the local sureties be supplied to the learned counsel for the state. Kebe debe? Within 1 week?
Yes, sir.
Within 1 week, on receipt of which instructions shall be sent, taken through inspector in charge of Jaipur Sadar Police Station regarding the genuineness of the bailers and authenticity of the documents. All right.
Item 42.
42. 42, Mr. Deepak Ranjan. Yes.
May I please your lordship, my lord, in sub item 13,527, bail application of the present petitioner Chandrasen Meher was rejected on dated 20/2/2023. During the rejection, my lord had granted liberty to prayer for the renewal of the bail application if trial had not completed within 6 months. And this is the second bail application of the petitioner. And in last occasion, my lord had granted.
Yes, there is the status report has come in which it is mentioned that out of 20 charge sheet witnesses, 11 witnesses have been
examined.
So you are in custody since when?
Since 19/8/2020.
19?
19/8/2020.
There are Zeta case, na?
Yeah. Yes,
So
my
you are
lord.
pressing which case now? In item 42, there are two bail applications. Which one is you are pressing?
Yes, my lord. 13,547/2023.
अच्छा तमन सेकंड आइटम दा प्रेस करछन जो थरे पिटिशनर होची चंद्रसेन मेहर राइट
Yeah, ma'am.
so that man is in custody since 19/8/2020
Yeah, ma'am.
he was never released on interim bail okay is a man from which area
Dharamgad, Kalahandi.
any CA criminal antecedent
No, my lord.
huh
No criminal antecedent.
all right are the this is second one BLAPL number 13547 of 23 the land and counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 19/8/2020 and is a local man and in view of the slow progress of the trial the bail application may be favorably considered the status report furnished by the London trial court indicates that out of 20 charge sheet witnesses 11 witnesses have been examined. Land counsel for the state has produced written instruction received from written Anchanta. Copy that there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. Considering the submission, so and so had not inclining in view of the bar under section 37. I'm inclined to 3 months bail granted.
Item 43.
Yeah, please, my lord. My lord, last occasion call for CDC and status report, my lord.
Is it available with you, Mr.
My lord.
Yes.
Present petitioner custody since 21/7/22, my lord. Offense number section 20B2C, ma'am.
Kebit Roilani.
21/7/22.
Local loco.
State of Bihar, ma'am.
Address verification कौन आसिला?
Address verification ପାଇଁ ଯାଇନି ma'am.
ଯାଇନି?
On the last occasion, CDC and status report we call for on 2012.
ଗତ ଥର କହିଲେନି ଏକାଥରେ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ରହୁଛି ନା ଆଉଟସାଇଡର ମାନେ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ହଉଛି କହିଦବା କଥା ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଇଏ ହଉଛି ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ସୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସୋ ଆଉ ନେସେସରି କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ସାଲ୍ ବି ମେଡ୍ ବାଇ ଦି ଯୋଉ ସୁପରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ପୋଲିସ ସୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସୋ ଏଟା କରିଦେବି ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ସପ୍ତାହ ପରେ ରଖିବେ ଆଉ ହେଲା ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ପାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 44.
To prefer password, man.
Password nahi kali
Last item.
Tomorrow it will come, hala? Yes. You have
Well,
received
last
the
item.
case diary?
My lord.
All right. Tomorrow. Yes.
Problem.
Item 45.
What modification you want? None appears. I stand disposed of. Yes. Next.
Item 46.
My plea lordship. The petitioner was allowed interim bail for a period of 3 months.
Yes.
And accordingly, he was released on bail by the London Court below and was directed to surrender on 16/2 of 2024 below. On 13/2, I have filed an IA that is 176 of 2024.
For what?
But for extension of bail period for 1 month.
Why?
But on the medical ground, and your lordship extended the interim bail.
Yeah.
But order dated 16/2. But since the trial court directed the petitioner to surrender on the same day, and the matter was taken up before my lord at 4 o'clock in the last hour, and 3 o'clock he surrendered in the trial court. And according after obtaining the order of the honorable court, my lord, the petitioner moved before the trial court to release him.
Now he is in custody or not?
He has taken to custody.
Then you have to file a fresh interim application. There is no question of modification now. Because you have been taken into custody, you have to file
on the same day your lordship has
It's
extended.
all right, but he has been taken. Land Council doesn't want to press this application disposed of. Yes, next.
Item 48.
What is this matter, Mr.
20B2C, my lord. NDPS Act.
Bail
15 days.
matter.
Yeah, yes, my lord.
Bail matter.
My lord, my lord has directed to verify the documents of second surety. First surety has been correct.
Wait, let me see.
Genuine.
हाँ कौन है 11/3/2024 रो
I actually pray for some time. And regarding the address verification, that is correct, my lord, and this should.
last time लेखन अच्छा. As per the order dated 11/3/2024, the Land and Council for the state has obtained instruction that the address furnished by the appellant number 1, Nandaram alias Karan, in the cause title is correct, right?
My lord.
And you submit a proof to that effect that you have made the verification, and
My lord.
he files the document which is taken on record. However, he submits that after receiving the documents of the sureties, the
Number 2. Number 2. Number 1 is genuine. 1 surety is correct and genuine. 2 sureties, my lord.
The surety verification has been sought for and instruction is still awaited, right?
2 sureties given, my lord. Both are genuine, but one was not available. That was the order passed.
One was
not available. That order was passed.
It is correct, sir.
No, it's all right. ଗୋଟେ ର ହେଇଯାଇଛି ତ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କର କରିବେ ଆଉ କଣ? ହଁ
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି document.
ଠିକ ଅଛି. We seek some time and the IAC has sought for some time. So I'm placing it on 27. Get the instruction. 27/3/2024. So only thing remains verification of the one of the local surety.
That is
other
order
things are
dated
over. Yes.
89 to
All right.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes, next.
Item 49.
May I please? Yesterday, the
Item 50.
Please, Your Lordship. Matter relating to OPID Act. Yesterday thila to aji
କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ କଣ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
challenge for release of vehicle. Earlier, criminal appeal, this petition has filed, and Sonor Court directed to petitioner to raise all the points from the court below. Thereafter, I have come.
It's all right, but where is the counsel is not there? I've told you yesterday that just Mr. Patra was here. So let it be taken up either tomorrow or next week.
Next week.
Next week. Which date would be convenient to you? 19th or 20th? The week commences from 18th.
19th.
19th. All right. Learned counsel for the appellant is present. Submits that the matter may be taken up on 19th of March 2024. How straightforward is this matter?
Obliged.